Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kushi and today we are going to discuss about a mystery of Mary Celeste. So Mary Celeste is one of the most enduring maritime mysteries in the history. This vessel was discovered adrift in the Atlantic Ocean in 1872 with its crew missing and seemingly vanished without a trace. Theories abound. What happened to the crew? Ranging from mutiny to pirate attack to supernatural causes. Despite extensive investigation, the fate of Mary Celeste crew remain a baffling enigma. The story begins on November 7, 1872, when the Mary Celeste, originally named as Amazon, set sail from New York Harbor bound to Genoa, Italy, under the command of Captain Benjamin Briggs. On the board were Briggs, his wife Sarah, and their daughter Sophia, with a crew of 7. The ship was laden with 1701 barrels of industrial alcohol, a valuable cargo destined for sale in Italy. About a month later, on December 4, 1872, the Mary Celeste was discovered drifting aimlessly in the Atlantic Ocean by British brig De Gratia. The crew of De Gratia noticed something peculiar about the Mary Celeste. Although its sail were partially set and cargo was intact, there was no sign of the crew. The lifeboat were missing along with the captain's navigational instrument and personal effects. Upon boarding the Mary Celestia, the crew of the De Gratia found no evidence of foul play or the struggle. The ship's cargo, that was alcohol, was undisturbed and there was no sign of violence or damage to the vessel. So, the disappearance of Mary Celestia's crew sparked widespread speculation and intrigue. Numerous theories have been proposed to explain their fate. One theory is that the crew abandoned ship due to the fear of explosion. But, however, this theory has been widely discredited as consequent investigation found no evidence of a leak or explosion on the board of Mary Celeste. Another theory suggests that the crew may have been fallen victim to piracy. Piracy was a significant threat to maritime vessels during the 19th century, and it is possible that the Mary Celeste encountered pirates. But however, there was no evidence of it. There's no sign of struggle or forced entry on the board of Mary Celeste. Some have speculated that the crew may have staged their own disappearance to park the insurance fraud scheme, but they were all experienced sailors and there was no criminal behavior in their history and no illegal activity have been noticed. Another was a outlash theories propose that the crew may have been abducted by aliens or fallen victim to a sea monster. Why these mysteries captured the imagination and were dismissed by the historians and the experts. Despite numerous investigations and inquiries, the fate of the Mary Celeste crew remains a mystery to this day. The story of the ghost ship has captured the public imagination for over a century, inspiring countless books, imaginations, films, documentaries. So the true fate of Mary Celeste and its crew may never be known, leaving behind a legacy of mystery and intrigue. High seas. Thank you.